Hello! If you need an instant card issuance system, then you have come to the right place. This is Özgür Altuntaş, SmartSoft Product Director. I welcome you to the Palmaris presentation. For the banking and financial sector, card delivery to the customer is a difficult, demanding and costly process. With Palmaris Instant Card Issuance System, it is possible to completely eliminate this multi-step process. Advantages of Palmaris Instant Card Issuance System can be classified into 4 main groups. These groups are cost effectiveness, security, technology and quality, and customer satisfaction. First, let's take a look at the cost effectiveness aspect of Palmaris.
The process in which the bank issues a card begins with the customer notifying the bank and filling out the card request form. After the bank receives this information, the bank ensures that the card is securely issued and securely delivered to the customer. During this procedure, the bank incurs some costs resulting from securely issuing and delivering customer cards. Because the issued card is a credit card, the highest security level possible must be ensured. Therefore, issuing and delivering credit cards is a costly process. Deliveries that are special and valuable, like credit cards, must be submitted directly to the cardholder. Because the cardholder was not present at the specified address, moved, gave an incomplete or undefined address, a second delivery may become necessary. In some rural areas, the card delivery failure ratio can reach up to 40%. The possibility of credit cards being lost by the courier service and malicious people acquiring the credit card are among the numerous risks involved. Another risk factor is the possible release of defective, faulty, or poor quality cards into circulation. Unfortunately, a significant portion of defective cards are only detected through customer complaints that are received after the card is delivered. In this case, a long process such as card issuance is repeated for a second time and costs are doubled. With the Palmaris Instant Issuance System, it will only take a few minutes to restart the process despite the above-mentioned adverse conditions. Therefore, it saves you time and money. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System is managed from a single point. With its central configuration, the Palmaris Instant Issuance System allows card issuance applications and management software to operate from bank headquarters. Branch implementation and inventory tracking are web-based operations. They do not require separate system setups at the branches. As the branches are managed by a web-based system at a single center, even if there's an increase in the branch numbers, all software updates can be performed from the headquarters. Consequently, significant gains are obtained in operational and personnel costs. It is very easy to manage the process at the point where the card is issued, and therefore Palmaris Instant Issuance System does not require the presence of additional specialized personnel for the card issuance process. The card issuance process was designed as a very simple procedure. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System's infrastructure was designed not to allow any human errors. For example, any defective card issuances resulting from carelessness of the bank personnel at the branch is prevented. The inventory tracking feature, embedded into the Palmaris Instant Issuance System, tracks each card starting from its purchasing stage to its issuance and delivery to the designated cardholder. The inventory tracking system allows for the detection of unauthorized card acquisitions by malicious persons, during which stage and under whose responsibility it occurred. Personnel aware of this inventory tracking system will do their best to avoid any potential card losses and defective card issuances. Palmaris Instant Issuance System has a flexible configuration. Therefore, banks can select their desired card manufacturer based on their preferences. Similarly, card issuance equipment with its independent configuration also enables banks to choose their equipment at their own discretion. Cardholders who request their cards in a traditional fashion can have their cards delivered within 1 to 3 weeks. During this waiting period, sometimes applicants no longer need their card, sometimes they decide not to acquire the card, and sometimes the cardholders cannot actively use their cards. With the web-based Palmaris Instant Issuance System, the acquisition of new and active customers is achieved by meeting their instant needs at shopping mall branches and branches located near the downtown malls and stores. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System is designed and manufactured from end to end by SmartSoft. The issuance system quickly adapts to the current operating systems in banks and allows for achieving the targeted low integration costs.
Palmaris Instant Card Issuance System fully complies with the PCI DSS standards. As required by the PCI DSS standards, bank keys and chip keys must be kept in secure devices at bank headquarters. Now, let's take a look at the security infrastructure of the Palmaris Instant Card Issuance System.
The Palmaris Instant Issuance System fully complies with the PCI DSS standards. What are the PCI DSS standards? PCI is an abbreviation for Payment Card Industry. PCI is a joint committee established by 5 leading brands of the sector. These leading companies are American Express, Discover Financial Services, JCB International, MasterCard Worldwide, and Visa International. The above-mentioned committee developed DSS, which are data security standards. These standards consist of more than 200 controls classified under 12 requirement categories that are based on 6 basic criteria, including data transmission, data processing, and data storage operations at the institutions where the payment systems are involved. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System is also fully compatible with EMV MasterCard Visa standards. The central operation configuration plays a key role in providing security for the Palmaris Instant Issuance System. Another major benefit of the central operation configuration is to allow for the execution of advanced monitoring and reporting functions within the inventory tracking system, which is web-based and does not require any setup. While current products in the market require a total of 4 HSM setup, including 2 for production and 2 for testing, data preparation, key management, and personalization implementations, the Palmaris Instant Issuance System, with its HSM server software, has a hot backup configuration that uses only 2 HSM setup. With this special configuration, when there's a problem with one of the HSMs, the other HSM can run both key management and personalizer functions without interruption. In cases where algorithms are not written into the HSM, major security breaches occur and low performance is experienced. HSMs operating in this way are very likely to run into serious problems. In the Palmaris Instant Issuance System, many operations are concurrently carried out much faster and much safer due to the algorithm written into the HSM. Card producer keys and the bank's master keys are kept in the HSM located at the headquarters. This way, high level of security is attained. In the event of an unauthorized external breach into the system, the Palmaris Instant Issuance System automatically cancels the transaction and reports the event. This system eliminates potential external breach and fraud risk by tracking the cards entering the system.
We have just looked at the security superiorities of Palmaris. Let's take a look at the technological and quality features of Palmaris. In 2006, Palmaris won the EPCA award in 2 different categories. Now, let's take a look at the superior technological and quality features provided by Palmaris.
The Palmaris Instant Issuance System was developed by SmartSoft software engineers who are specialized in payment systems. Quality and technology of the Palmaris Instant Issuance System is also approved by EPCA. EPCA has also awarded SmartSoft the most innovative software product and the most innovative and advanced individual banking solutions awards. With its easy integration feature, single location management, parametric and user-friendly screens, this central configuration system can quickly solve potential problems that may arise. Among its major distinctions, its fast and dynamic features clearly distinguish SmartSoft's Palmaris Instant Issuance System from other instant card issuance systems. With its hot backup architecture, the Palmaris Instant Issuance System runs concurrently with more than 1 HSM. This backup architecture allows HSMs to handle high-volume transactions very easily. Moreover, this architecture prevents system interruptions in the event one of the HSMs fails. Prior to card issuance, quality control of the card file to be printed is performed by the personalization validation system. With the final control, performed by Instant Quality and the card issuance equipment at the branch, delivery of defective and faulty cards to the customers is prevented by automatically printing an invalid inscription on the cards. This system, with its multi-institutional feature, can support more than 1 bank if desired. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System is developed and equipped with the newest available technology by SmartSoft engineers who are highly specialized in their respective field. The system is designed to take into consideration all the potential technological developments that are planned to be used in the field in the future. Furthermore, this product is open to continuous improvement with its flexible software architecture. With the Palmaris Instant Issuance System, all kinds of contact and contactless credit cards, prepaid bank cards, and debit cards can be issued with or without a picture. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System also supports non-EMV standards such as MyFair and magnetic cards. In addition, the NFC technology infrastructure embedded into the Palmaris Instant Issuance System has been developed in compliance with MasterCard and Visa standards. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System is developed by SmartSoft, which is committed to using the highest possible technology, quality, and standard compliance for each product.
Thanks to the low cost, high security, advanced technology and customer satisfaction-oriented features offered by Palmaris Instant Card Issuance System, a 30% increased customer satisfaction was reported for the cards issued by Palmaris.
We want all of our requests to be immediately done at the banks. This is true for all of our banking transactions. The Palmaris Instant Issuance System is a customer-oriented product. In this system, customer satisfaction and needs are of highest priority. For the bank customer, the period in which the credit card is delivered to them is as important as payment installment options, campaigns, bonus points, and gifts offered by the credit card. According to the research, it was found that obtaining a credit card at the time of need proportionally increased the value, loyalty, and satisfaction the customer attributed to the card. While the Palmaris Instant Issuance System allows instant delivery of the card to the customer, it also gives an opportunity to promote the card and member merchants. As customers learn more about the card's features, an increase in the number of transactions were also observed. As much as of newly acquired customers, it is very important to issue instant replacement cards to current customers whose cards were stolen or lost. Current customers can instantly obtain a new card by visiting the nearest branch. Therefore, this system allows both continuous loyalty to the card on part of the customer and uninterrupted customer spending for the bank. It was discovered that cards issued and delivered by the Palmaris Instant Issuance System were used 30% more actively than the conventionally issued and delivered cards. If your priority for customer satisfaction is to minimize your losses while maximizing your revenues, then the Palmaris Instant Issuance System is the most suitable solution for you. By all means, the Palmaris Instant Issuance System means customer satisfaction.
While you were watching this presentation, cards issued by Palmaris were already distributed to the cardholders. Who knows, perhaps they have already begun shopping. Palmaris enables you to have more satisfied customers.